Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This deli case. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's length about like a 3 feet 36 inches. And the overall height about like a 4 feet 48 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like a 32 inches. So as we can see, they have a curved glass at the front, and the top is stainless steel. Units coming with a 1, 2, 3, actually 3 shelvings, is adjustable, and total you can put the 4 layer things inside. And let me swap in the other side to the back of the units. The units coming with a sliding door at the behind. And we can see the controllers is at the bottoms right here, and switchers. And this one is using the standard 110 plugs. And we can see the units, they're having the adjustable shelvings inside, and there's a coil on top. And let me take the measurement for the inner side. The shelvings about like a 22.5 inches deep. And the length of the inner side for the shelvings, it's about like a 29 inches wide. And also coming with the units, they're having the sanitation stickers inside of it. They're having the cut sheets, diagrams, and the ETL and NSF sanitations on the units. This will be the all information about the product demonstrations. And if you have more detailed information you need to know, just contact with us. Thank you for watching the videos.